Daisy, si Antonio, Antipalaboy de Debbie Bon. Wa mo kay YouTube day? Maghimo na ka. And then BYC Proud, March Diaries na din siya.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you
Today is November 14 and there's still typhoon in the northern area of the Philippines. So nga na ang bawd karon. It would have been great if walay bagyo cause grabe katinaw. This is a marine sanctuary. So grabe na siya katinaw and daghan kay na siya corals diha, but since bagyo-bagyo man, medyo bawd. So we're here today at Kawasan French Paradise Resort. It's located in Alegria. So when you check the Google Maps, you will actually see two Kawasan French Paradise Resorts. You should go to the one near the beach. Things will be better if walay bagyo. There's an area here where the kids can swim. And it's divided from the sea. There's a wall. And there are other guests here today aside from us. Nine sunbathing during the grass. But the construction of huts are still ongoing. There are 1, 2, 3 huts right now. But tables can be requested for picnic, and then there are also other rooms for overnight stay upstairs. Hi! Hi! Yung hot. Ay! BYC! Nabot na to eh. Naan man na siya ganina Santander. Kay Argao man siya gikan. Argao, Santander. Si Debbie Boone. Na si JC, si Antonio. Antoy Malaboy di. Debbie Boone. Wa mo ka YouTube day? Maghimo na ka. And then, BYC Proud. March Diaries na din siya.
Uy, pag-ibaw mo yung t-shirt sa BYC.
Uni anak magkay. Wala pa. So, this cottage is complimentary and the food is still being cooked. And those are the cottages. 2 are still being worked on. And this is the sand area. Ato kidi ka, padaol sa waves kidi. Ilis lang kasi nina dong. Room D. Ano ka na sa mga tanong? So this is the room D. It's very spacious. It has a queen size bed. This is their toilet and their shower. So I think they have hot and cold. There. Pwede diri. Oh my God. Ay! Kaslide sa kuchinilas. Nice a flower. Nindot na ni. Huwag na ko'y gimbal. Hindi na ni shaky. Uga sa niya taon.
So, alright guys, friends, malamig kaon, and then I have here the staff of Kawasan French Paradise Resort. So, how are we doing? March. Yeah.
Ikaw, tulong March.
From Alegria, for Kawasan. So, we're just waiting for just for 1 month. Oh, yeah. So, we're lucky na natin yung mga guests na natin. So, as of now, we are open for reservations, and then you can visit our page, Kawasan French Paradise Resort. And then, if you have some questions, you can message us there, and then we can accommodate you. And room for overnight. Yes, as of now, we have 4 rooms for the aircon.
Aircon.
Yeah, aircon. For night, is national free breakfast. For 4 is 3,500, and then food for 4, and then we have also the food for 2,000 pesos, and then free breakfast, and then we have also the nipahat, and ano siya nipahat? Paabangan na po siya. Yes, paabangan na siya.
Pero usa pa available?
Open na siya after siguro mga 2 weeks after. Yeah, maybe December.
Pila ang usa ka nipahat?
Ang nipahat, good for 6 ni siya, 3,000. So,
Oh, moy,
pero di siya aircon.
Okay kayo.
Yeah, airlocks is, okay kayo. And then, kanikan siya, katong signal, may for 1,000 pesos.
Kani.
Breakfast na siya.
So mismo, wala kayong uyag, dapat rita.
Yeah! Singo. Bilin. Una kay uyab. Open kayo. So, dako kayo ang place, and then welcome to kayo mo. If ever na mo'y mga team buildings, and then kung na mo'y beach wedding, open kayo rin siya dire.
Puhon, mag-dayos na mo.
Yes.
Are you looking into having it available ka ng dayos? Kaya usually pa yung anak.
Yeah, we're planning na sa amo ang KUs na maka-accommodate namin siya.
For now, wala may ka na
Wala
walk-in.
kami walk-in.
Dapat reservation
Yes,
yun.
reservation. So, if ever kita na ipang plan nga mag-check-in, so much better nga 2 weeks after
2 weeks
before
advance.
yung angkuan.
Basta sa address kayo dirigan.
Sitio Balhaan, and then barangay Matidehos. Alegria, Cebu. Yes. Kanya ako.
Mauningon ko ni mo na. Nadid mo magdidihon.
Kaya naman sa Madideo sa Bantay na
Yes, Dajud. Kaya kanang mo na angkuan.
So, south of Cebu.
Matidehos, Alegria, Cebu.
Okay. So, thank you so much, ate.
Thank you for the lunch at the
Sudan na mo. Buffalo chicken.
chicken, halaan soup, and then bam
Bami dito. Uy.